Today, we're diving into the world of natural dyes using the incredible resources from conifer trees. Did you know that people have been using plant materials to dye fabrics, animal skins, and even create paints for thousands of years? It's a fascinating journey into history and culture. Now, how well these plant materials work as dyes depends on their organic compounds and how free their electrons are to move. It's all about the science of color. But here's the secret sauce: adding mordents to your dye mix. Mordents help the pigment bond to the material being dyed and stay in place longer. It's like magic. Time to get hands-on. You'll be experimenting with conifer trees to dye your material. Remember, always respect nature, harvest from fallen branches. After your dye experiment, it's time to observe and discuss. Why is this a valuable STEM activity rich in history and culture? Much like Indigenous people, we're connecting with ancient knowledge and traditions. Kids learn so much from this STEM activity. They explore science, history, and cultural traditions. It's hands-on education that sparks curiosity and creativity. So friends, go out there, explore the magic of natural dyes, and let your curiosity take you on a colorful journey. Ready to create your own natural dye masterpiece? Share your results and join the conversation.